tell us how many you remember. And every student can get one white card. And when you get this card, please, everybody read it. Oh. Very good. And then next, I will give you a pink card. And please put this card on your head. Let's go together two cards together.
拿反应该是 U 吧。
Which
怎么念
？This one. Put this together. Yes. And put this pig together. No. Okay. And which card should I put down which student's head? Please tell me. No card? How about this? Yes. And how about this? No. Okay. And can students can help each other to tell your classmates how pronunciation? And you can ask more students to help. Okay, time's up. I will help you can help each other. Yeah, please put down in front of you. And this card together is no meaning, right? And I will give you one yellow card. Every student get one yellow card. Yeah. Now everyone had 3 cards, and you can put this card together to make mini word. And please sit on the blackboard. Yeah, you can match and write. Toe. You can try as possible as you can. And now everyone read 3 words together. In, toe,